Welcome back. And last time what we have done is we have made the signin.php file and this dbconnect.php file, right? If you have not seen that video, do please see that one first, so that you can follow me up down here. And this is one what we have made the for the first video. All right. So now let's just start with a new file. Let's just name it as we have given a name, right? Yeah, so we have this file. Copy this and head down to that. So just save it. And now what we will be doing is we will be making a file, PHP code. Okay, well, not for PHP right now. We will be making a HTML file. Okay, so now add patients, PATIENTS, and ABC hospital. Alright, so now what we have done is we have made this thing. Just head down to this index.php file, copy all the other things which are needed. Alright, just copy, nothing else. Okay, just copy that. Okay, um, I don't know what I am doing right now. Okay, just a second. What's happening? Okay, perfectly fine. Now let's just close the other which are unneeded files. Copy this whole place. Copy these things till this script. Control C. Okay, and paste it here. Okay. So now what we have done is we have done something decent thing. Some decent things. Okay. So where till where we have this code. I need to actually indent this thing. Perfectly fine. Alright, so now what we need to do is add patients to the record. Alright, and we'll just remove all the things. Remove this. Alright, so we have something decent thing. So now let's just put here as patient not patient, it's patient name. Then it should be patient, not password, it should be patient age. Okay, now let's just copy this place. Control C and Control V. So, I think that we will be needing many more other things, but for now, let's just keep like this. Money page, and you will need one more, that is address. So we have all these things done, and now add to. Okay, sorry, add to record. Fine. Okay, now what is left is something is left. Okay, let's just make some inputs. Okay, just need to paste it here once again. This time we need to keep here doctor 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 name. Obviously, we will not be keeping the doctor age. Okay, so input type this time. This input type would be checkbox. Checkbox, all in one word, and this placeholder will get removed. Okay, and remove this required also, and type here if you want any other name, then you can just type it there. Like I am having for now Dr. Devansh. I don't know why I need myself as a doctor, but well, let's just copy and paste it here, and Dr. ABC. Okay, someone else. Alright, so now let's just head down to exam, start the servers, and we will see how is it looking. Alright, so now let's just start a new file, localhost slash hospital project. Okay, so why didn't this thing autofill itself? Let's just write Devansh 12345 6 login. Perfectly fine. Well, what's the problem here? Let's see this. Hospital project. Spelling mistake. Just what we need to do is just head down back, log in, and we have got this. Wow, looks nice, huh? Okay, we will be reducing this to sizes. Okay, we would be reducing. Just head down here, and where is H? Okay. So here the let's change into doctor names. Okay, so this is now what the doctor names in will inherit. Just refresh. See, now they came back to the original sizes. Okay, now if you let's say that if you want a line here, a line input, so see, you can just do like this. Alright, so well, this is now done. Okay, let's just input some spaces if possible. We will see if we get some spaces here. Not an issue, we will be adding spaces, don't worry for that. Alright, just don't worry for this one, we will do all the things. Okay, so name should be doctor name 1. Okay, it should be 2. Copy this and put it in the place, doctor name 1. Okay. So now let's just refresh. All these things are done, perfectly done. Okay, so well, let's just make, just copy for this doctor names from the inputs. Okay, because we will be changing a little bit, right? Okay, so well, let's just copy this. Control C, Control V, and sorry, doctor names. Okay, but we have this one only. Okay, not an issue. Font family, font size. Okay, we have done something wrong. Okay, so I have not kept the hyphen there. Not an issue, but let's keep it. Let's just keep it there. Okay, so pop looks fine. Looks fine. Now what we will copy is, we will copy for the inputs, this part. Okay, let's just copy this, paste it here, paste it here, and input type to be kept of is of checkbox. Alright, so let's just remove this part, and let's just refresh this thing once again. Now what we will change is, we will change all over here. Just change this to 2. We will see what happens. Okay, so this checkbox get changed. Let's just change this to 10. We will see what is happening. Okay, so something else is here. Problematic. Alright. Not an issue. Let's just keep it all like that. I think that we will remove this. Okay, not an issue. Well, this font size should change to this one. It should look smaller. Have you kept any H1, H2 tag here? No, not like that. Something is missing. Well, let's just see. What is that? Okay, this is missing. I forgot this thing, right? Control R. Now it should work. Okay. So, well, we have done this part. Now let's just see here. Let's just change this to Algerian. Algerian. We will see what's happening now. Okay, so now this looks a decent thing. Right? So keep this to times New Roman times New Roman. This is fine for now. We will be changing for this too. Okay, so head down here, change this to Algerian. Okay, Algerian. Let's just refresh it thing once again. Okay, not an issue. What we will do is, we will do something font here. Font. All right. And what we will do is, we will close them here. /font. Okay. So what this thing will do is, this thing will help us to inherit the things from there itself. Okay. Not an issue. That one space bar. Let's just see, where is it? Font. Do we have class? Yes, we have class for doctor names. Okay. So, well, let's just copy this once again. Paste it here. Okay. Yeah. Super. just close it here. So now what we will be doing is we will be doing the things all down here. So now let's just head to up. Input is okay. So it's not an issue. Let's just okay, control Y. I just undid something. I didn't know. I don't know what. Yes, I did something that I didn't need to do. Dot doctor names. All right, and font dot. Let's see what we can do is. What we will do is we will be enclosing this to in some another div. Div. Okay, not div. It should be div. Div class as doctors. All right, docs. Okay, head down to home. Don't forget to indent these things properly. Oh no, let's remove this part. Okay, fine. Dot doctor names. Dot doctors. And now what we will do is text. Okay, font size, right? Let's just use these things. Just a minute. Well, what's happening right now? Okay, not an issue. What we will be doing is we will just directly give this in the place. Font. We will try for once. Okay. Font class equals. Okay, we'll just leave for this one. We will do this whole thing directly. Okay, so now we will do is what I will do is we will make another tag in this font part, that is font face will be well, let's say Algerian, like this font actually. All right, and size would be around 7 9 5 5 would look nice, and color should be black only. I don't want any other. Let's just refresh. Well, this looks nice, no? Yeah, it's nice. Okay, so well, we have completed this part. Now what we will do is add to record. Okay, it's now blah blah blah. Check your password. Okay, so well, we will change this to adding patients. Okay, PATIENTS. Okay, well, sorry for if I have any wrong spelling mistake here. Okay, so now what we need to change is we need to change this money type, should be somewhat like text. Okay, and advert should also be text. And let's see if we have something else, and I will be adding in the future videos if I think something. Alright, and we will add this to record and add to record. This is blah, this is blah, this is blah, and add. And it will be asking for to check my password. Okay, this is blah, this is blah, this is blah, and it's saying that this username, password, password, password. Okay, so well, we need to change this to money. We need to change this to address, and we need to change this to age. Control S. Let's head back and let's see. Username this, and doctor name 1 equals on. Perfect, fine, super. Alright, so well, we have completed all these things, and in the next video we will be coding this add patients.php file. Alright, okay, so till then, thank you, take care, goodbye, see you friends.